In this class, the student will learn the ASM chart. ASM chart is a algorithmic state machine chart. So basically this ASM chart will use three basic components that are state box. So you can see this rectangular box is a state box which will be used to represent the state of the machine. Then next we have this diamond represents the decision box. So to make decisions we have to use this decision box in the ASM chart. And third component of the ASM chart, that is a condition box. So condition box is used only when the output of the state is high, and after making the decisions we need to use this condition box when output is a high. Now you can consider there is a finite state machine. Now as you know, finite state machine or finite state automata, we have used states and its transitions. So in this diagram you can see that there are states S0, S1 and S2. These are three states are there in this finite state diagram, and we have transitions. So S0, S1 and S2, these are states. There is a transition if there are inputs to the state S0, then that state will change to the next state. Now this change is called as a state transition. Suppose S0 is a state is there, and when you are going to input, or we are going to give input to S0, and suppose that input is a 0, then this state S0 will go to the same state when input is a 0. If input is 0, then this state will go to the same state. So this is the meaning of this S0 and this transition arrow. When input is a 0, S0 will go to the same state, and when input is a 1, S0 will go to the next state S1. So it means that S0 to S1 there is a transition when input 1 is given to the S0. After that we have S1 state. Then S1 state, if there is input 0, then it is again going to the same state, and if input is a 1, then it is going to the next state, that is S2. Now one more thing, if input is a 0, then output is a 0. If input is a 1, output is a 1. If input is 0, output is a 1. Now these are outputs of the respective input for the respective state. Now in this case S1, when you give input 1 to the S1, then it changes the state to the S2. Similarly for S2 state, if input is a 0, then it is going to the same state S2, and if input is a 1, it changes state from S2 to S0. So this is about finite state diagram of this ASM chart. Now consider the how to construct the ASM chart with the help of components: state box, decision box and condition box. So as you know, state box represents the state of the finite state diagram. This diagonal represents the decision box, and this condition box is used for when output is only high. Now as you know, in this diagram we have three states, S0, S1 and S2. Then we will take that states equal to S0 in rectangle box, because this is the state box. Then we have S1 is also in state box, and S2 is also in a state box. Now when input X is given to the S0, we don't know the value of S0. Now here is the condition, here is a decision box. S0 is a 0 and S0 is equal to 1. When you apply 0 on S0 state, then it is going to the same state. And if the value of input is 1, it is changing state from S0 to S1. Now this Z is a output, and this output is going towards the S1 state. So when X equal to 1, S0 changes state from S1. So this is the S1, and we have change from S1 to S2. When input is a 0, which is applied on S1, then it is again going to the same state. And if input is a 1, then it changes the state from S1 to S2. Similarly, when we apply 0 on S2, it is again going to the same state. When you apply 1 on S2, it is changing the state from S2 to S0. So in this way we have used the three components, that are state box, decision box and condition box, and we have converted this finite state diagram to the algorithm state machine diagram, ASM chart. So thanks for watching this video.